Live. Welcome to the stream, guys. Let's see if we can get some music going. Oh no, 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 no. We've got ads now. Okay. Hold up. Let me come up with a solution for this. So yeah, why didn't I have uBlock installed on this account? Okay. Add uBlock now. Hopefully that installs. Yep. So if we refresh this page. Oh yeah, uBlock actually fucking goated. Bro, it runs like premium. Don't know what to tell you, man. uBlock actually has some good devs behind it. We're looking for... Are we not on shuffle or something? We're not on shuffle, that'll be why. That could do. Yeah, I just didn't want it to do the Minecraft ones because they're slow starting. No, I need to tell Socrates that he needs to link his account after this, so yeah, so wait, who is this? Completed the daily mission yesterday. Can I go to, yeah, can I go here? Check out my live yesterday. Straight into the recording, I might do a... Arnav plays. Has Arnav left? Oh. Ah, he never linked his account. Okay, well that's good. It's literally just Socrates and hello then. We'll just rewrite the title. Hello Socrates. Link your accounts in Discord with /link-Geoguessr. One location. Okay. We will just also check the database. I should have checked the database just to see if they have linked their accounts. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I found a cool app for recipes. Actually my girlfriend showed it to me, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It just imports recipes from a link, and you can import them from like Instagram, you can import them from basically anywhere. And it works like a charm. Pretty happy with it so far. I've only done URLs so far, but I do have a lot of Instagram ones I want to import, so see if it does those. Nice. Now this is the real test. Marry me chicken. Will that one... Oh, they already had it set up and ready to go. Oh yeah. It's one of my favorite recipes. Honey garlic chicken. Let's see. Oh, that one's already done? Damn. Some of the good ones are already done. Thai green chicken. I doubt this one will be done. Basically what it does is it archives the stuff from a link, and yeah, you can be, if you're the first person who's archived that recipe, it has to do it, like you have to wait for it to do it, but normally it will just pull up what it has saved in the archive if it's a good one. And yeah, I mean, sorry I'm doing that right now, but I'm almost done. There's like 2 more recipes, and then countdown.co.nz doesn't have this working. To be fair, there were words now as well, so that would make sense. Okay, final one. Arayas. Lebanese stuffed crispy pita bread. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick. Is that kind of buzz? Nice. Okay. Dude. I kind of cooked. Okay. I'm just gonna send this over the web real quick, a little screenshot. I do have some baking recipes to do as well, to be fair. Actually, a lot of them. Should I put my... Yeah, I'll move my old recipes out. Boom. And then all the recipes can just go in the recipes bookmarks folder. Okay. Put the collections up the top. Nice. Yes, the app is called Oster if anyone wants it, but I got baking recipes to import later, and I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to do a few manual ones. We can try and import the... Yeah, we can try and import the thingies. Okay. Countdown recipes. Seafood chowder is a really good one. It's on Woolworths now, to be fair, but should redirect, right? No. Bookmarks bar. Actually, it's called the favorites bar. Yeah, I'm sorry this is probably not too entertaining to start the stream off with me saving my recipes for cooking to an app, but it's a cool app. I'm a big fan. Oh, waffles. Plain waffles recipe. Waffles. Copy. No, yeah. Just bookmark it. And then report issue. Problem with ingredients and recipes. None detected. Boom. Low Kirk, that went well. I think we'll do the same thing for the... Right. Food chowder. Ooh. Wait, maybe this one will work properly. We'll see. Without further ado, let's get into recording the video. Music should be running. Nice. Alright lads, it's your favourite Master 1 Geoguessr player back on the Prismalite Geoguessr Club for another day of daily challenges and duels after that. Today is day 294 of the Be the Bimmer challenge, which means that we do have yesterday's results. Shout out goes to Double 2, Alfantenrin, and Juice and Trebe. I'm sorry if I mispronounced anyone's name, and also for Alfantenrin, I actually just ran out of breath mid-word. That was no mispronunciation, hopefully. Yeah, 294. What? 294. Okay, fair enough. Yeah. Let's do this. I should say I stream these recordings live, so if you guys want to tune in for a recording, all you got to do is drop a sub or drop a follow on the Twitch, which is linked in the top link in the description. Same with this club, and the Discord server that you must join and link your account to the Discord server with a bot. Yeah, the club you must join the Discord server for, but you can just join the Discord if you want. But you must be in the Discord server and link your account to stay in this club. Yeah, I need to say Socratisla and Hello. You still have not completed account linking with /link -Geoguessr. Make sure to confirm your account after playing the challenge. Yeah. So 30-second no move community world. I don't run these challenges, Stu does, as you can see, and Stu updates the second link in the description every single day with the latest challenge. I think that's everything. Let's get into it. I know that was a bit more of a shambles episode, but I did need to make sure that I reminded Socratesla and Hello to link their accounts. We actually, one of the people who hadn't linked their account. Okay, of all options, oh no, because here's the thing. In my mind, I was hearing two words, Bahrain and Qatar, and I was like, no, I don't think Bahrain has coverage, which I'm pretty sure it does not. Qatar has coverage, and that was the debate in my mind. And then I went and guessed UAE, because it's like 3 size steps, like in a row, like Bahrain, Qatar, UAE. And so I ended up guessing, buddy, yeah, I ended up guessing UAE when I meant to guess Qatar there. It's yellow plates on a normal car, so we're gonna be Colombia here, I think. I don't know where. Oh, was that Florencia? Because I swear I swear I remembered that name. I was just looking for it for a second on the map. Okay, well we've got Ska and Ski. It's very common for Poland. Yeah. As for what city? I would have no clue. That's interesting, an EU flag. Are they big supporters of the EU there or so? Oh, actually, why wouldn't they be? Yeah. Okay. This looks more like German. Also looks like Locam. I mean, just right in the thick of it, I reckon. Right in Grindelwald. Okay, nice. I also played a rip-off Geoguessr today. I played, what was it? I don't know. Geotastic, yeah. And I played like 3 matches, and then I gave up. Because it was like, it's moving duels only as far as I know. And I don't know if you guys know, but I just never play moving because I don't like how luck based it is. You basically have to path in the right direction to get the stuff you need to know from the lock. And personally it just doesn't sit right with me. I like NMPZ and no move because it's limited amounts of information. You could get an unlimited amount of information from moving. The other problem is, even though it's like, sure, unlimited information doesn't sound that bad. Like, if you get lucky, it's good. You've also got to consider the fact that there is going to be no time limit that is ever good enough for moving unless you're playing duels. And in which case it really does come down to luck, because whoever gets lucky enough to find the right information first is going to be able to lock in a correct guess. And if the other person hasn't got to that information in time, you know, they lose. And there's not really too much of a strategy with pathing. It's not like it's any skill behind it. It's sort of just trusting gut instincts, really. 26, we are driving on the right, which is plausible for a Ghana. With the square blur. I am glad that I've learned this, because basically my main problem with Ghana rounds has been that I've like consistently gone. Ooh, like a lasso here maybe, because we got stop on the left. I actually don't know if lasso drives on the left or the right. Yeah, it was Esper. But yeah, I'd consistently gone like the wrong country on Ghana because I always think of it driving on the left. I forget who it was that told me this, but West Africa drives on the right, East Africa is more likely to be on the left. And that's like a meta that has definitely stuck with me. Like, so I was only told it very recently. I'd been having a lot of trouble with my Ghana rounds prior. Like I recognized the Ghana car and I was like, that looks like the Ghana car, but we're driving on the right. And I mean, it really just came down to me being clueless, but I would occasionally forget. This looks like it's going to be Senegal here with those poles. Damn it. I was hoping you might not know. Yeah, like it really just came down to me thinking the driving side was wrong. And basically ever since I've been told that meta, I've just been playing a lot better on those Ghana rounds because I'm able to identify it, and I'm not too bad, I don't think, at region guessing Ghana, because there is a bit of a regionality to it. I mean, that's just like, he's obviously seen this location before or somewhere near. No way in hell I'm getting that. Maybe it's distinct coverage or something, but to me, I do not recognize. Fuck! To me, I do not recognize that. 21. 21. Looks like it's Southern Sun, so I guess this has to be a Russia, realistically. He's Russian as well, so it would make sense that he's going to get to 5 here. Yep. Love that for me, I really do. Knows it's out by Magadan, and we are down to 1.7k health immediately. Medina. What does that mean? Is it a place? Sounds like a place. Like, I don't know. Oh, I was driving on the left. Okay, I'm an idiot. Yeah, okay. As I was saying, I was really hoping that we'd hit a new peak, this week. Hello? Hello? Thank God. Give me someone new, please. God. I actually did not know I could do that, by the way. I just needed to not verse him 3 for 3 there, because he is absolutely cooking me. People are playing like that in Master 1 now, huh? Yeah, I mean, I think, first of all, welcome back, Allergies. But I should also say, I think it's because they, made the divisions like, well, they made extra divisions, so everyone's sort of falling into a newer place. I think this is Rainbolt's lose-on meta. Maybe not right to trust it, but we'll see. Actually, it might not be lose-on. The sidecar does look a bit different, doesn't it? Yeah. But yeah, I think people are just falling down into their respective spots. I mean, I've been in Master 1 for so long that I honestly wouldn't, you got Beirut, bro. I've been in Master 1 so long I would be like mad embarrassed if I dropped down to Master 3. I think there's like no way in hell that's gonna happen for me. I dropped down to Master 2 after I peaked though, so that wasn't ideal. He actually went fucking Beirut. He actually went Beirut. You're kidding. You're actually kidding. Hello? I had nothing else to go off. Low champs are trickling down. Yeah, but it also means that just there is gonna be why is this? Yeah. Pretty sure I'm hoping I'm not using too much complicated English because I don't know if his English is too good. Wait, no, how do we put it? Yeah. Hopefully that's simple enough. They probably lived in Beirut. I mean, there is like Arabic or something like it on the walls, so I'd assume it. They probably did come from Lebanon and then moved to Colombia. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, back to what I was saying. I think, it's most likely just gonna be that people who were in champs, are gonna be more put into, I think people who were put into champs are now gonna be dropped back down into masters because there's gonna be sort of more space for competition, I guess. I don't know how that works actually. Yeah. Maybe that's not how that'll work, and maybe it's just that... Yeah. I actually don't really know. Personally, the one thing that I'm hoping for... Like, Geoguessr is doing a great job with, like, making the game just feel as fluid as possible. Like, I'm really loving all the UI updates that have been coming out recently. It feels so much more polished than, like, the other ones, like OpenGuessr and, the Geotastic or something that I played recently. Like, it feels a lot better. I think I'm actually cooked here. It might be Brazil, but I don't trust it. Oh wow, W region guess. Of course the German knows Argentina. That's an inside joke for those of you who get it. But yeah, I'm loving all the UI updates. I'm loving the spectate features and the toughest and strongest regions. They're doing a great job with making it sort of feel as easy to use as possible. I'm loving the fact that they interact with the community and that they're actually working on their own Geoguessr Discord bot, because that's something I'm doing, and the fact that they're not closing those APIs, and now they have a reason not to, is really great for securing, like, the fact that my bot will have a use case. If that makes sense. Basically what I'm saying is that they let you access public data in a way that a scriptive code, yeah, in a way that like a coded bot could understand, like a simple bot, rather than like one that has to read the screen using AI. But yeah, I mean, they're keeping those APIs open to everyone so that you can use it and basically make it so that a bot can control things on your account, like it can create challenges, which is something that I've done for my bot. And I'm hoping that I can find a way to make it send chats in my club. I'm hoping that I can make it kick people from my club automatically, and that they can check the statistics of people in my club. I'm gonna have to find out where that data is stored, but hopefully that will be something I discover soon enough. Yeah. I mean, I'm just excited for that. So, got a proper mounted thing, not just mounted on the bend. It's actually mounted with a plate to the thing, so that's going to be more in the east, which is honestly surprising. Yeah, because I could have considered a west, but yeah, I guess it's going to be east here. Most likely. Geoguessr user interface is unusable, yeah. I just don't think that they've really got the skills that these developers do for Geoguessr. Geoguessr has made everything work in a way that it's just outstanding how well they've done this game. I mean, obviously there's going to be bugs and there's going to be things that could be improved, but the fact of the matter is, when they make a new feature, they make sure it works, they test it, and there is a consistent stream of updates. It's never like you're sort of left in the dark. It'll just be one time you log on and it'll be like, oh, there's toughest regions now. It'll be like, oh, you can access this screen from in-game, which I love doing, by the way. So satisfying. But yeah, I mean, the only thing that I really think would be great in the future when they start to sort of run out of updates is potentially adding like a... This might be an Esper here, I'm not honestly too certain. I'm going to hedge north of Lasso. Ah, okay. Well, that's a 3 for 3 loss today. But I'm hoping that they add a plan with ads or something. I don't know. I don't know how it would work, but I would just like to see eventually an increase in players. Just with a free plan of some sort. It doesn't have to be completely free like it used to be. I just mean like freemium, you know, like, if that makes sense. I don't really like the fact that we're basically restricted to people who pay for the game. It does mean you get a lot more legitimate users, but like, yeah, I just think eventually the player count might start to drop, especially if there's not new countries for a while. Oh, and the other thing is, I would love a family plan, because I want to be able to pay for my friends' accounts or whoever's accounts without actually having to attach my billing details to that account. I did that for my mate who I trust with my billing details, and yeah, just recently I did end up cancelling that. It's just they used to have a duo plan and that sounded good, but yeah, I don't know, not too feasible to continue paying for it, especially considering I don't see him as often anymore. But yeah, anyway, I mean, that's not ideal. We just had 3 losses in a row. Oh shit. You're kidding. By aborting the game. Oh, it doesn't say that. I aborted that game and I just immediately lost rating. We should have had 3 matches against him. You're kidding. He was lower rated than me and then got up to 1100 rating off of me. Yup. Bro. Like, that's not even fair, man. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. As for stream, I'm still going to stream for a little bit. They brought the personalized widgets, which is great for customization, and rather unfortunate for me spying on random people's recent duels. I think that's always been the case that you could do that. Yeah, personalized widgets like this thing. Oh, wait, what? Oh. 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 Add widget bio. Hello? Okay. What? Hide the trophies because I don't have trophies. 20 achievements. No, I don't need achievements like that. Maps, we don't really do maps. Explorer progress, you're fine to show that here. Oh, I don't know if I want to show Battle Royale stats, because why would I? Bio. YouTuber slash streamer at linkia.ee/tokenvid. Creating a custom Geoguessr /Discord bot in my server. I wonder if it'll actually let me put a hyperlink, maybe. Join up. I had no idea that you could actually do this. This is cool. Classic score, yeah, streaks. I don't need that. That is like probably my most embarrassing stat. Me versus whoever's visiting the profile. Yeah, well, I knew that they made like the profile different, but I didn't know you could customize it like this. This is sick. Unranked team jewels. I mean, what if we hit our jewels, like... First, nah. I don't think we could do that. Rank jewels. And put classic down quite a bit. And then... Don't need... Wait, they haven't been collecting stats for unranked jewels? Yeah, okay, hell no then. Wait, what? Unranked jewels? Edit. Oh, you can change the default game mode. Oh. By default, we'd want it on no move, right? Actually, flex, put it on NMPZ. Well, I don't even think it's updating. Party games? Nah. I remember I used to do the daily challenge. We'll hide our streak though. Clean up our profile. Actually, yeah, no, hide. I don't know. Ranked team jewels. Save this shit, yeah. This is good. Okay. Well, I think... Yeah. I think that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one tomorrow. If you guys do want to... Actually, one thing. If you guys do want to support me, go watch my other videos. Drop a donation, I don't know. Whatever. Main thing is probably join the Discord and link your account with the bot. You don't have to be in the club to do that. And yeah, it just helps me out having a few more people in there that I can use for testing on the bot and having a working database. Yeah, I obviously I like to know that the bot is still working as I update the code, so if I have a consistent amount of people linking their accounts, which you can relink your account as well, even if it's the same account, you can always relink it, and that does help, just so I can see that, oh yeah, the bot is still working, people are still able to link their accounts, so on and so forth. Thank you guys for watching, see you in the next one.